Okay, we back. I just like that. That's an iconic picture. It's my 3-year old. I said fourth year in the fourth year. Somebody disputed. She's still 3 years old. No, she's in her fourth year. She had 4 years, but that's all right. But we're not here to talk about. We're here to talk about stocks, and we gonna go to my tool. This is a tool I use. I was at lunch with some folks who wanted to really understand the stock market and stuff. I'm simple. I'm simple. I'm not a financial advisor, but we're gonna share our screen. We're gonna show you something today. I'm gonna go to my tool again because I got a nice one that I think I got a winner, and this is one that Simply Wall Street gave me, and they pointed to this one, and this one is about SYM, is Symbiotics. And what it is an automated technology company engaged in developing technology and improving operational efficiencies and warehouses and stuff. So, that's all it is right there. Front end, supply chain, whatever. But what I bought this one for $14, and then I added more to it, 200 more. And I'm not ashamed. So let's go back to the company overview. It's trading below estimated value. Its earnings are forecast to grow about 58% a year, and its earnings grows about 52% over the past 5 years. It's got some risks. You can look at the risk and so on and so forth. But it dipped down, and I couldn't sell this one. A symbolic hit. They reported the earnings. The earnings was good. You know, that's why they kept going up. The last 7 days has not been so good. And over the last year, it hasn't been so good. So I still like this stock. Rick Cohen is the CEO of this thing. And so you can see some of the valuations. They say, well, what are you talking about valuations? It's undervalued. And that's a good thing. So it's supposed to be about 47. Right now it's about 30. Remember, I bought it at 18. I bought it at 14, and then I bought 200 more at right now it's not. It's about 21, but or 29. Current price is 29. That was yesterday. And then it might be about 30 when we go to the market. Let's see what happens to go to market. It should be about $47 a fair share. And remember, I got 300 of them. That's where it is in the food chain. All these guys is what similar stocks. This is like their peers. Okay, price ratio, and I always look. They explain what this is. I only got a few minutes. That's why I won't go too detail in this. This tool do an excellent job. Financial growth, future criteria, they doing good. Green is always good. If you ever get the company versus industry, the future growth. And you can see all greens. Okay. Um, Turn on an equity. We're going to get into that one day. We're going to really break that down. What does that mean? And then this is you want to discover other growth companies that's similar. Past earnings haven't been that good. It's currently unprofitable. And it's currently unprofitable. Growth profit. So that's okay. A lot of companies are not profitable, but they still make a good yeah, they will be. This is what I look at. I look at the balance sheet. They said this one is good. And what is it saying here? It's saying that in the short-term liabilities, the assets exceeded the short-term liabilities by 1 billion. Assets is about 131 million. It's debt-free. This one also has not had any debt for 5 years. I love to see that. Stable, it's stable, and its forecast cash runway is good. You can see these management criteria is not good. They got 2 years leadership. Okay. The guy's 55 years old, experienced management. That's why people have been, but this guy right here has been buying. Whoever he is, Tom. Let's see if he's in leadership. Nope. So this insider he's been, but the last 6 to 9 months, he's been taking money out of the, you can see how much he's been taking out. It's an institutional stock, which is good. In other words, your 401ks is in this thing. It's public company. General public only own a 0.% of this. And you can see, this is the SoftBank I talked. NVIDIA just is getting ready to do, that's why NVIDIA going to pop, because they're going to get ready. This one right here made a deal with NVIDIA to secure with their chip, all of the banks that they own. This guy right here, SoftBank, owns about 39 million shares. So there's 7.1 billion. Then you got the rest of these guys like Walmart, Bell & Vanguard Group, and all these other guys. Okay. And this is the food chain right here. BlackRock is here. Vanguard is here. Those are my two I like to look and see what they're doing. And then BlackRock added some. And let's see what Vanguard did. Vanguard up here, they added some more, 38%. They own 560 billion. Okay. And this one right here, BlackRock, it owns about $174 million worth of shares, 900 to be exact, 900 some 900 some thousand. This one on about 3 billion, 3 million. And these are the other food chains that own something that I want to get to, because this is a good stock. This is a good stock if you want to buy one. If you got a little money change on, get into this one because it's still got a little growth room. And I think it's going to do a lot more. Okay. So let's reshare. Let's see how the market reacts all this week. I went from 76,000. I started off won 76,000. Then I went back down to 70,000. So let's see. Let's look at our market. Okay, we're gonna start off with. You can see I took a lot of. I sold out this Bitcoin one. It was about $4 for 100 shares. $4 ones. I'm gonna get Dogecoin. I think it's Dogecoin or whatever. But I gotta wait for that one. I'm starting slowly but surely getting back into Chipotle. They're getting close to their when they did the split. This is HCMC. I got 3 million. Healthy Choice. Everybody know about Healthy Choice? I got 3 million shares. This goes up to a penny or so. Or if it goes up to $1, I made $3 million. I mean $3 million. But if it goes to a penny, I think it's so much I win and so on. They gave me this is the shares they got after they did earnings. They gave me 2 of these shares. Okay. But you want this one right here, Luna. They had good earnings. So they back up to 12. You remember I bought it at $4 and they up to $12. So it went up 147%. This one right here is still trying to struggle along, but SAVA is trying to do something, but I leave that one alone. And this UFC, the UEC is one that I want you. The market is not doing well overall today, but mine is doing pretty good. And I'm getting ready to show you. This is my personal account. It went from $13,000 down to about 10. Okay. So we're going to go into my business account. Okay. NVIDIA is starting to do something. NVIDIA is starting holding. It was up to 500. It went down to what, like 140. Now it's 142. So we're seeing some dents in here. Tesla is moving back up. I started to take Tesla out. I told somebody I took 40 out of Tesla, but I didn't. It was getting low down there. So it went to, I got a 272. Really, I got a 213 and I bought 40 more. And so you can see up to date, Tesla is starting to get back up. But what one you want to look at is PLTR. PLTR is burning it up. It's got me. They almost equal to NVIDIA. And NVIDIA is just getting started. NVIDIA next week they're gonna have earnings, and they now in the Dow and the S&P and now and Nasdaq. So they get. I think they get ready to blow the roof off something. And I still got 100 in HIMS, even though HIMS wasn't. It's down to 19. That's all right. HIMS, do what you do. I sold 200 of HIMS. That's why I'm waiting till it go. If it goes below, I'm gonna buy it back again. Okay. Apple, Amazon is down, and TTO I got back up. Yeah, I bought about 900 more. I got down. It's about 50 cents. Uh, I'm waiting to my friend the FDA. I don't know how it's gonna react, but they in 30. This is septic. They in the phase 3, and it's supposed to be December. So I'm trying to hold on to this one because this one is supposed to be about $8 now. The target is $8 for the rest of this year, and I got 1,000 of them. So that'll make me, if it gets to $8, it'd be about $8,000 out of contributed. And this one right here just had earnings. They had good earnings, but yet still they down. But that's okay. The rest is doing well. Let's look at all of mine together. We got a few more minutes. We got about 4 minutes. Okay. At least you remember I went from 76 when she hit her hands up like that down to and people say, well, why no, I'm trying to protect some of my earnings a little bit, but I like this team. This team, Amazon, Apple, Chipotle, Healthy Choice, Lunar, that's the space one. I should pick back up GSAT. That's because Amazon, let's see what they're doing. Yeah, GSAT is down like 160 something, 150 something. So I think it's time to pick that back up. Let's go back up and let's pick some up and my individual one. This is my point. I'm going to pick at least 100 back up for GSAT because that's the satellite company. So I'm going to buy, no, it's about 181.82. I hit it like 129. I sold it to get some profit, but it's down a little bit. So I'm going to pick this one back up because I just can't let this fly up. This is like a Verizon one. So I'm going to buy this one, 400. It's a day trade preview. Okay, I'm gonna put that back up because that one's gonna fly. That you remember, Amazon gave him 1.5 billion to do some things for him, and I like that one. And I also, the oil one has went down substantially. I'm not gonna touch that one yet, and I'm not gonna come back in on FFI, that electric vehicle. GVO, GVOX, I want to leave all that alone right now. But I'm going to come back in on some of these. Intel, I'm going to leave Intel alone. Jigma, I'm going to leave Jigma alone. This went down to 371. That's the African Amazon. Lyft, all these are good ones too. Neo is up today, but I'm not going to get into Neo again right now. Oxy went down to 40. They had good earnings, and they went down to 49. Do I have enough money? I don't have enough money to make 4,000. They buy 10 of them. Let me see. Yeah, let me buy 10 of these. Let's see if I can get 10. No, I can't buy 10 of them. That's what I thought. I can't buy. I leave that alone. I buy them on the other end. Because Oxy gonna be something. Oxy gonna do. They had good earnings. So I'm trying to pick Oxy back up. I get them after hours, but I don't want to. You know, right now I want to touch them right now. So let's look at all of what we did for the entire day. Let's look at what we did. It's made about 200, but see, I'm down about five. Well, I'm not because I started with 70 and then I went up to 76 and then I lost all my profit. But I left my seed in the ground. I'm still waiting for, we got PLTR going crazy and we have Luna going crazy. And we have also Tesla. Tesla's still trying to do something. Tesla should be about 350 something. We're going to see what happens here. And I'm going to stop sharing. So God bless you, God keep you, God, cause face shine and give you peace. And we're going to talk about some more. I don't know why people say I don't. I'm trying to show you how this thing work. And hopefully I'm doing a decent job. But if not, I'm pretty sure somebody will tell me about it. God bless you. We'll see you next time. I just wanted a little of your attention. Bye-bye.